the Service module, look for an option to Category, then click on Add New Category, enter the category name in the provided field, and click Submit to add the new category. Then the category added successfully. Locate the category you want to edit or delete, then click the Edit icon to make changes and save, or click the Delete icon to remove the category, confirming the deletion if prompted. In the Service module, navigate to the Services section, click on Add New Service, and fill out all required fields. After clicking the Submit button, your service is successfully created. Locate the service you want to manage, then click the service name or view to see details. To edit a service, locate it and click Edit. Make your changes in any field you want in this service. I would change the service duration, service for, and service cost fields. And click Submit to update the details. The details were updated successfully. To delete a service, click the Delete icon and confirm the deletion if requested. Your service details were deleted successfully. Download the Excel service template, open the service template sheet. Fill it out service template sheet and save the file. After opening the Coiffure Service module page, click Import Template, choose the file to upload. Ensure the details in the sheet are correct. Click Submit to successfully upload your service details and category. You can also download the Excel sheet of all your services to view the details you manually added and imported.